Hello students, in today's section we are going to see the 7th program of Java. The program name is Write the program to demonstrate use of user defined package by importing the package and assess the member variable of classes contained in the package. Okay. So first of all, what is package? A package is a group of similar types of classes, interfaces and sub-packages. There are two types of packages in Java. First is built-in package and the second one is user-defined package. So what is built-in packages? The packages which are already present in the Java library, it is called built-in packages. And what is user-defined packages? The packages which are created by the user, it is called user-defined packages. So today in this program we are going to create the user defined package. Okay, so let us start with the creating package. Open Notepad++. Okay, so we are creating here the package with the name addition. Package addition. Package is a keyword to create new package. Okay. Inside the package addition, we are creating class, that is public class add to number. Okay. Add to number is the class inside the package. So in the class we are declaring the variable, that is a and b. So public int a comma b semicolon. Okay. Inside the class also we are creating the method. The method name is public int and sum. Inside sum method we are going to returning the value of a plus b. Okay, and then semicolon. We are done with the writing package. Okay, so to save this package, go to file, click on save, click on D drive and save into your folder. Give file name as add to number. Okay, add to number.java. Okay, and click on save. It has been saved into your folder. So for execute this package, open command prompt. Okay, so D drive, enter into your folder. Okay, and write compilation command. To compile the package, write javac -t space ./space add to number. Okay, this line helps you to create a directory or a folder with the name addition into your folder. Okay, -d is your directory name, ./ is a current directory, so your current directory is your folder. So it will be saving or it will be creating a new folder with the name addition into your folder. Okay, and press enter. This is successfully create a new folder into your folder. So package is successfully compiling. So another file we are creating here. In this file we are importing the addition package which we have recently created. Okay, so open new file and write the program. Import addition dot add to number. Okay, we are going to import here the addition package which we have recently created. In that package we are importing the add to number class into this class. So create a class with the name package demo. So class package demo. Okay, then inside the class we are writing main method public static void main, which reads string argument. Okay, inside the main method we are writing or we are creating an object for add to number class. So add is the object for add to number, new add to number. Okay, then with this object we are assigning the value to a variable and to b variable. From this class package demo we are providing the value for the class add to number. Okay, we are simply write here system.out.println inside the printing statement we are writing addition of to number plus with the help of add object we are calling here the sum method which is present in your add to number class. Okay, and we are done with this class. For saving this program or you have to save this program into your folder. Okay, so give program name as package demo .java. Okay, and click on save. This has been saved. Okay, so to execute this program open command prompt, D drive, your folder name and compilation command is javac package demo, that is program name .java. Okay, and press enter. Oh, one error is there. We forgot to give here semicolon. Okay, so save again and compiling again. This is compiling successfully. Now the run command java package and demo. Okay, and press enter. Okay, it is showing the output, that is addition of two number equal to 30. Okay, we are passing here the 10 for A and 20 for B. Okay, this values is goes to the add to number class. It will be calculated here that 10 plus 20 equal to 30. Okay, and the result will be printed here add plus add dot sum, that is result will be printing here the 30. Okay, so it is showing the output, that is addition of two number equal to 30. This is the final output for this package program. Hope you understood this program and output. Thank you.